How would you like to stop saying and like in your speeches? Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that might seem small, but oh my goodness, it can make or break how powerful you come across when you speak. Yep, we're talking about those sneaky little words, like, and, you know, so yeah. Sound familiar? I use them all the time. Let's get real, okay? There was a time when I couldn't finish 3 sentences without saying or like, and don't even get me started on replaying those videos. Cringe fast. Seriously, I don't even want to reminisce about that. Because when I go back and look at these videos, I'm like, oh wow, there was a lot of things I needed to go through to really get me into the position of and the confidence that I have today. But here's what I learned. These filler words aren't just bad habits, they're signs. Signs of nervousness, signs that you're trying to connect your thoughts. Sound familiar? And most of all, signs that we're afraid of silence. But guess what? Silence isn't awkward, it's powerful. So today, I'm walking you through exactly how to break this habit. We're going to understand where it comes from, how to retrain the brain, and how to speak with confidence like the powerhouse you were born to be. Why we use filler words and why that's okay for now. But first, let's show ourselves some grace. We use and like because we're thinking faster than we're speaking. We're trying to fill that space to avoid the silence. Game changer, seriously. So if you're just realizing this now, like I did when I realized it, welcome. But here's the thing, your words deserve space. Your thoughts are valid. You don't need to rush them. You don't need to smooth over every second with noise. These words creep in when we feel unsure, unprepared, or even when we're not excited and passionate. So don't beat yourself up. But what if you want to grow, and I know you do, we've got to train your voice to match your power. I'm like using my hands because I love my hands, but it's like, I feel like it comes with so much authority. All right, let's go. So step 1, awareness is the first breakthrough. You can't fix what you don't notice. So this week, I want you to do one simple thing. Record yourself. Yep, just set up your phone, talk for 2 minutes about anything about your day, your dreams, your coffee order. It doesn't matter. Then watch it back. Listen for the filler words. Count them if you want. I know. It might be a little painful at first, but friend, this is where growth begins. Awareness builds intention. Once you hear yourself doing it, you'll start noticing it in real time. And that's where the magic starts. One of my first experiences is when I actually edited my first video and heard all the ums and ands and likes, and I was like, whoa. So it really helped me become a better speaker because I didn't want to use those filler words and I was pausing and allowing my thought to come through. Step 2, embrace the pause. This right here changed everything for me. Silence is not weakness. Silence is strategy. Guest speakers pause. They let their words breathe. They drop a truth bomb and then let the silence amplify it. That pause, that space, it gives your audience time to catch up and it gives you time to breathe. So next time you're tempted to say or like, try pausing instead, take a breath, smile, and let your silence hold its power. It's gonna feel awkward at first, but keep practicing. Your brain will start rewiring itself to feel safe in the pause. Step 3, practice with purpose. You don't break habits by thinking about them. You break them by replacing them. So here's what I want you to do. Pick a topic you're passionate about. Set a timer for 1 minute. Speak on that topic with intention. Replace every with a pause. Every like with clarity. Do this every day for a week. I promise you'll be amazed at how quickly you level up. And if you slip up, it's okay. That's part of it. Just keep going. Step 4, prepare like a pro. You know what kills filler words the fastest? Confidence. And confidence comes from preparation. If you're giving a talk, know your message, outline your points, rehearse out loud, know your transitions. That's often where the ums sneak in. When you know what's coming next, your brain doesn't have to scramble. And when your brain isn't scrambling, your mouth doesn't need the filler words. Step number 5, replace with stronger language. Sometimes we use like or you know because we're trying to connect or relate. But you can say the same thing with way more impact using stronger words. Instead of, it's like really important to believe in yourself, try, it's absolutely essential to believe in yourself. Boom. Same message, way more power. Practice replacing soft, filler-like words with intentional, strong ones. Your message deserves strength. Don't water it down. Final thoughts, beautiful soul. Listen, if you've ever struggled with filler words, self-doubt, or feeling like your voice isn't polished enough, let me remind you, you are already enough. Your story matters, your voice has power, and every time you speak, you have the chance to impact someone's life. The goal isn't perfection, it's connection, it's progress, it's presence. It's showing up and doing the same thing repeatedly so that you're staying consistent and your brain will adjust accordingly. So start small, practice daily, and remember, it's okay to pause. Let your message breathe. Let your soul speak. If this helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button, share with a friend who needs it, and make sure you subscribe. We've got way more content coming your way on mindset, confidence, and showing up, owning your voice. Until next time, keep showing up, glowing up, and keep speaking your truth. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see you show up, speak out, and shine like the queen you are.